Hi, today I have Huawei 12 Nova 12S and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we choose Mobile Network, the data usage, and now we tap on More Data Settings, and in it we can set our mobile data limits. First step, we can set monthly data limits in the custom number, maybe 58 gigabytes we set. There we can set start data, maybe first day of each month, and the usage remainder when we use 80% maybe, and it is 46.40 gigabytes from our monthly limit, and we can easily change it by swipe. There we can set our daily data remainder if we need it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.